Pentecostal Network Pennet Program Clear to te lalpai swaming in Zibai ule tungkar chunga UPC North East India Kohhran rawngbawlna chanchin thar clear in lawngai thang u UPC North East India General Administrative Committee chuan tunlai shileng mek chungchanga Kohhran mipuite tan hetiangin ngen na ansiama zom theu turin min ngen ani coronavirus COVID-19 shileng mek chungchanga Kohhran mipuite hena ngen na Kohhran mipuite lalpai swaming Zibai kan buka cheu tunlai khovel puma chipui leng mek coronavirus COVID-19 laka mipuite kan him theinan anhwai miang hian Kohhran mipuite hena thucha kan ron siama zom theu turin kanin ngen ani hi march ni som pakwa sang ni som ni atanga thuli omma tana man tur ani COVID-19 shuleng awangin sarkari mipui pun khom akhap to a chu wang chuan general district bialhwa pa inkhom puile into khom na angchi reng chu ti ri lo ni se tua chung Kohhran inkhom nei chungchang chu tua chung Kohhran committee kuta da ani a tua chung Kohhran hwa pa pun khom na dangte chu ti ri lo ni se Kohhran mipuite lo thei lo thil ti lawa chuan wak chhuak tam lo tur le no pangte po leng chhuak tam lo turin kanin ngen ani mani in lama uluk takin chung inkhom nei thin ni se shileng laka kan him theinan thanhem ngai takin I tong trai thewang u ramshoi tu ten mipui van tlang himna tura ruah man na ansiam te ngai poimu in izom zelang u hi ke mani tan le kan thin khoveng te tan vek ani sarkar thu chhuak ngai chan reng tur ani Mizoram chunga district Bangal North Mizoram Aizawl East Lunglei Simtupui le Longtlai district ka Kohhran program poimo sang te thul tura sarkar le MKHC tengen na angin heng district ka Kohhran program enge moza chu thul ani March ani somni pasari atang ani somni poko chunga Aizawl East district hwam chunga bial somthuma LED conference nei tur chu ahun son ani a Lunglei district chunga po Kohhran in rally camping le bial LED conference nei tur po thulin Longtlai district in bial LED conference an nei tur po an thula Longtlai West district in bial meet an nei tur po an thul bok March ani somni pakhat in rinni kha North East India UPC Kohhran thalai pol Pentecostal Youth Department PYD dei voice nga pakhat na ani a sarkar ngen na awangin general PYD po in thu chwa siamin bial le twal chunga program lian tham siam lo turin ngen na anti chhuaka kumdang angin PYD dei hi ursun taka man the ani lo ani kumsang khajakwa somruk pakwa khan foreign mission division phalna angin unit trainin North East India unit tia din ani a kumsang khajakwa somruk pakwa march ni somni pakhata North East India unit executive board ma saber chuan Pentecostal Youth Department in Pentecostal Chalai Pol hi adinta a ti chuan march ni somni pakhat hi PYD chuan de ta na mangin kumtin omni khamin man thin alonita ani shwai tu ma saberte General President Reverend KL Nuna General Secretary and Treasurer Reverend K Satinvela Pentecostal Youth Department PYD hian kumpuan thupuyatan in taudelti amangmeka tundin huna hian North East India UPC hwam chunga PYD member Singhi Sangthum Jali som pasari anomeka twal chung Kohhran zanga somthum pahnia PYD hidin ani General PYD shwai tu te General PYD President Pastor H Laropuya General Secretary Evangelist JH Amal Som Dongliana General Treasurer Reverend C Lalmal Soma District Shangshang rawngbawlna chanchin ngai thak chunjamila Aizawl East District March nikwa atang ni som pani chung khan Aizawl East District Board nei ani a board hi Reverend Rosang Colony District Superintendent Chuana Kaishwaya Reverend Lalmal Soma Silo General Superintendent Chuan Board Tanni Khan Telpuin report changshang apek baka hunser amanghalani District Board Thurel langsarte Pastor Patni Lakharni in chungte chu Evangelist F Malsom tuanga zema bok bial Evangelist Vanal Hakaren Thei East Lungdar bial Dagraner Lakthar Evangelist Lenma Chwana Varte Molpui bial Full-time Evangelist Lakthar Evangelist H Malsom Thanga Bongkon bial District Conference Sanghi Somni in Ramlakbe Puithang ni se ati angin hemiatan hian fixed pay in kumkhatsung rawngbawlna thokturin hengmi te hi Lakthar ani Evangelist V Kamnei Thanga Ngaupa bial Evangelist H Lalbiak Zava Rabung bial heng thoktu Lakthar de hian April ni khat sanghi somhia District Superintendent hena joining report peturati ani Pastor transfer and posting hetiang hian siam ani Reverend Osanga Colony Zemabong North Bial Hehi Conference in Bial Thar Hontura Ti Khani in Zemabong North Middle School Veng Fogland East Le Bethel Te Ahwam Don Ani Pastor H Laro Puya North Van Lai Phai Biala Tringin Wal Pui Biala Pastor B Lan Mingliana Zongmun Biala Tringin North Van Lai Phai Biala Reverend of Mingliana Thingsul Thia Biala Tringin Bethlehem Biala Reverend Larema Bethlehem Biala Tringin Keifang Biala Pastor V Lal Ni Enga Keifang Biala Tringin Thingsul Thia Biala Evangelist F Malsom Tuanga Champai Biala Evangelist Vanel Nga Karen Thei Zongmun Biala Heng Pastor Transfer and Posting Ti Hian April Ni Thum Sang Hi Som Hia Anom Na Mun Tur Thleng Vek Turati Ni in April Ninga Pathiania Induction Nei Ani Don Ani District Board Hian Department Chang Shwai Tu Tur Te Arat Tharboka Chungte Chu PYD President Reverend C Lalmal Soma Khozol Bial Vice President Upa F Lal Thangliana Bazar Bial Secretary Unaupa R Vanel Peka Bazar Bial Assistant Secretary Unaupa Lom Sangkima Bethlehem Bial Treasurer Unaupa Kelel Biak Nunga Bongkon Bial Financial Secretary Unaupa Zautan Siama Trumpui Bial LAD President Unaunu Zion Parmoi Bible Woman Bethlehem Bial Vice President Unaunu F Lel Ompui Bible Woman Khozol Bial Secretary Unaunu Raudun Liani Sailau Bible Woman Sir Tip Din Thar Bial Assistant Secretary Unaunu Laram Siami Bible Woman Bazar Bial Treasurer Unaunu Laram Liani Sailau Zemabok Bial Financial Secretary Unaunu Laldin Pui Bazar Bial Missions Department Director Reverend R. Lianzama Secretary Evangelist Laram Zava Bethlehem Bial Treasurer Evangelist Silal Chuanga Trumpui Bial Sunday School Director Reverend H. L. Chakunga Bazar Bial Secretary Evangelist Silal Chanpuya Trumpui Bial Treasurer Evangelist H. R. Larindiga Bazar Bial Heng Department Shang Le Subcommittee Try to Hui Le 30 Hian April Nisari Tholeni Hian Charge in London Turati Ani District PYD Board March Niruk Zirtom Ni Chon Hu Khan Zemabok Veng Pui Biak Ina District PYD Board Vaisomli Pariatna President Reverend R. Laltan Kimaka Ishwain Nei Ani A Anro Rel Tlang Puite District PYD in Ram Ani in Munzo Khothara Jubilee Building Sak Ani to Baka in Thar Dang Sakbel Turar Malak Turati Ani CBC Shillong Tan Dokan Dudeng Ye Turati Ni in Shwai Tuten Atul Angin Lobo Zui Se Chati Ani PYD member Tutunga Anhele Zwalnante Zugle Mwam He Antam Theinam Baka Social Media Kaltanga Chanchin Trap Wonder na Konga Chakzoka Malak Tura Conference Ro Relin Board Kuta Ada Chu Obiten Atul Angin Lobo Zui Se Ani Kumsang Hi Som Hi Atanga Sang Hi Som Hi Pakhat Conference in Kara Subcommittee Shwai Tu Tur Hetiang Hian Ruat Ani Kumpuan Chairman Unaupa Vanel Shwaya Trumpui Bial Secretary Unaupa HKL Nei Sanga Bongkon Bial Treasurer Unaupa CS Laro Chwama Upper Republic Bial Education Chairman Unaupa R Vanel Peka Bazar Bial Secretary Unaupa Johnny Lal Chafam Kima Bazar Bial Treasurer Unaunu Loi Silan Ming Chuangi Zemabok Bial Fundraising Chairman Upa F Lal Thangliana Bazar Bial Secretary Unaupa Laram Moya Bazar Bial Treasurer Unaupa Lal Manzuala Bethlehem Bial Music and Sound Committee Chairman Evangelist Silal Chuanga Trumpui Bial Secretary Unaupa Nelson KVL Chandama Trumpui Bial Treasurer Unaunu Tanthiang Limi Zemabok Bial Choir Conductor Unaupa Lal Chanhima Zemabok Bial Assistant Conductor Unaupa Nelson KVL Chandama Trumpui Bial Environment Protection Chairman Tual Upa R Vanero Peka Molpui Bial Secretary Unaupa Lal Nunhima Trumpui Bial Treasurer Unaupa R Lal Eng Moya Zemabok Bial Subcommittee OB in charge Turle Shwai Tu Hui Le 30 charge in Landa Hun Turchu OB Ten Rahman Nalaw Siam Se Chati Ani March Ani Sompali in Rini Nilen Khan Bethlehem Bial Sunday School Department Boss Sayin Bethlehem Biak Ina No Pang Pualin Lang Camp Lotling Takan Nei Ani Hehuna Hian Bial Chungatingin No Pang Baka Zirtir Tu Miza Chuangkalin Speaker Evangelist Lal Chwan Moya Zo Tele Unaupa TC Vanal Radate An Mangani Lang Camp Hian Swangai Damna Baptist Mami Pathuminan Chanbaka tharau thiang hlim dong thar mi som hni an oma siam thar le na mi som hni pariat ten an chang bok ani Aizawl East District LED te chuan General LED Golden Jubilee hria rengna atan March nikwa thortan ni khan General LED Room General Headquarters a da turin Steel Almera an hlan General LED shwai tu ten lodong songin District LED atang hian OB until kim thei ani Aizawl East District Office Staff Welfare te chuan March ni som paruk thortan ni khan District Superintendent Reverend Rosang Colony ka shwain Staff Welfare shwai tu thlan tharna an nei he huna hian Reverend Biak Sang Zola District Secretary chuan hun ser amanga kumsang ni somni chunga Aizawl East District Staff Welfare shwai tu tharte chu Chairman Unapa R Lel Engliana Secretary Evangelist HR Larindikale Treasurer Unawnu H Lalthram Luaite anni Staff Welfare hi kumsang ni khan din lo ni tu in staff impum khatna le kaushan tha ti chak tura din ni in staff chunga chiat ni thani atan tha le jung tam tak an lo seng to a District Superintendent Relief Fund atan sum enge mozat an lo hlan to bok ani shwai tu the program Reverend Arlian Zama Missions Director chuan pathiani manghian rabung bial chunga home missionary support zongin rawngbawlna aneyang shiat tirna Aizawl East District Kaushampui OB meeting March ni som basari tholeni anei thuchuak shiat tirna kan shiat theu angin COVID-19 awangin sarkari mipui pun khom te khapin munchen khata phei chuan section 144 of CRPC 1973 te ampuang to a chuwangin district chunga March ni som hni pasari atanga ni som hni poko chunga bial shanga LED in khom pui man tur chu thuri turin le mani bialin hunrem chang dang ena rong manna nei mei turin ngen na asiama hengin na hi kaushan mi pui bial shanga mi te zom theu turin asiat tir ani in khom pui ba ka rally in to ton bial hab emoi in to khom na angchi reng te po ti lo ri ni se sarkar thu chuak te ngai po mu in ngai chan reng ni se thuli omma chu kaushan ten in khom pa ngai ba khi chu puipun program dang siam ri lo turin kanin shiat tir ani e Reverend Biak Sang Zola Secretary Aizawl East District UPC Lunglei District rawngbawlna chanchin March ni som pathum zirtop zana tanga March ni som panga pathiani zan thleng khan Ladies Auxiliary Department Lunglei District Inkhom pui voi som nga pakhat na chu ra siveng local UPC biak ina nei ani a thupuya tan me ta la chuak thoi ula chandam ro juda cha som he pathum na man ani March ni som pali inrin ni khan ro rela ni a anro rel langsar zinga District LED ti hian Asham Missions Field Serfanguri number 2 a biak in sakni se anti a LED member Holy Bible ziak chuak an omin choi moina pek ni se anti baka General LED day me ni soma ri hlongai te polin tong trai ni se anti bok tin home missionary te hena Christmas present pek ni se anti bok report bu achanga alandani lunglei District LED a hian member sangthum zariat somthum pariat anom meka LED hibial somhia din ni in local zapariata din ani bok he in khompuya hian Reverend R Vanel enga District Missions Director Reverend C Larin tuanga District Treasurer Reverend P C Lal Fakoma District Secretary Reverend C Vanel ena District Superintendent le Unawnu Lalian Moi Bible Women President LED Chimtuipui District 10 Thusoi rawngbawlna anneya Bazar Local LED Electric Veng Local LED Nathial Veng Lai Local LED le Pukpui Local LED ten Zion rawngbawlna annei bok Chimtuipui District rawngbawlna chanchin Chimtuipui District Conference voisom li palina hlimtaka man ani March ni som panhi atang ni som panga chungkhan South Lungpher Local South Lungpher biala conference man ni in Reverend WL Thangshwe District Superintendent ka shwaina hwai ahman ani a Reverend Zongming Thanzama General Treasurer Reverend Lal Thantuanga Director District Missions North Mizoram Reverend Dr. C Simo Director District Missions Chimtuipui Reverend C Valley Pensioner le Reverend C Satinkapa Pensioner ten thucha an soi ani March ni som pathum zirtop nia Sunday School rorel thuchuak langsar zwalte Sunday School campaign local khanchu abika nei ni se no pang Sunday School Paul camping local tinin buat sai ni se in lama Sunday School exam kalpui turin general a thlen ni se kan faten kan kaushan hla tamzo kan thiam theina na malak ni se Sunday School zirlai lesson te thataka zirani theinan zirlai en lok na le thirle na local tinin warzokin kalpui ni se District target lak masabial te loman siam sak ni se tunin huna district chunga member sangsari zaruk somnga pathum ommekin chungkwa sangkhazali som pakhada nomeka local church somthum pathum omin license holder somthum pathum anummekani March ni sompali in Rinnikhan district Kohhran puiro rel inkhom nei ani a anthure langsar zualte tunlai na dar chakta covid-19 laka kan him theinan le aveite polin ni somni pani thathum sangni som pakwa khian district chung local tina tungtaina nei tur ani tin MKHC ten he covid-19 pola Mizoram chunga Kohhran sangchang te tungtai rual turangen na asyam angin conference voice somli palina hun chung ni som panga thathum sang hi somni pathiani jana tungtai na hin nei ani Golden Jubilee building sakchun jom ni se hemi pual hian local church tina sumzon fe chwane ni se sangni somni chung hian thiang hemna campaign nei ni se Beltina revival crusade nei ni se literature and publication board din ni se kumsangni somni atanga sangni somni pakhat district shwai tu rat tharte superintendent Reverend Joseph L Thauthang Secretary Reverend W.L. Thangshwe, Treasurer Reverend Kholi Licha. March ni som panga pathian ni khan sangau tu local sangau biala chung ko khat member panga ti chu local chairman Upavan Hiran Kaushana Asenglut. District Missions Department waye efatha Home Mission Field thoktu atan ke Vandal Chardiki Bible Woman Seha Council Veng local chulak tharani a ni som pasari thathum sanghi somni khan District Missions Director hena joining report ape in field hi alu chil ngalang March ni sompali in Rinizan Khan upasi raw boy in South Lungpher local home missionary stay in Fuiton na hun man ani he huni Reverend Dr. C.C. Mo District Missions Director Chuana Kaishwaya field worker report changshang ngai thangni in official lamte po in anma chhop changshang te pon chhuana annei Seha BLPYD chuan ni som baruk thathum sanghi somni jan hian bial chung local dina sanghi somni PYD week honna annei BLPYD shwai tu te local dina kalin week hon inkhom anman pui ni som baruk atanga ni somni pani thathum sanghi somni chung hi week a mangin thil thati ti chu week thu puyatan man ani March ni somni pani pathiani khian Seha Council Veng local ti chuan a member rongbol tu beihlat lai khuli General Home Missions Field Thoktur Thana Hun an Mangdon. Chimtupui District Board Weiza Somriat Palina Thure Langsar Zwalte. March Nisombruk Thorten Khan South Lungpher Biak ina Omni Kamin District Board nei ani a Zandar Soma Summer Board Hitwang Takazo ani. Thurel Chen Khatte District Bible Zirna Apostolic Bible School Kalturin Heng Mite Hithan Chua ani. Zong Wing Moya New Atlang 3rd year. Van Rohlua Council Veng 3rd year. Ke Vandal Chardiki Council Veng 3rd year. Seal Thamwana Meisatla 3rd year. Lel Biagliana Meisatla 1st year. Lel Shwaituanga Meisatla 1st year. District Board ma interview man lautepo an lauti chin angin Apostolic Bible School Board maya interview hi nei tur ani ang. Media cell adin theinan atul ang anga malak zel ni se sangni somni pakhata chunga media cell polin budget siam ve ni se. Hengmiti District Penet Correspondent Adana Ruat te anni. Tual upa H laldu sanga siya hatla. Vanrohlua Council Veng. District Building Board Member Ruat Tharte. Chairman District Superintendent. Secretary District Secretary. Treasurer District Treasurer. Member te. Director District Missions Department. Sectional Pastor Siyaha. Evangelist V. John. Upa H Ramluna. Reverend C. Satin Kapa, Upa El Mahule, Upa R. Lalkungate Ane. District Constitution Drafting Board Hetiang Hian Din Ane. Chairman Evangelist V. John. Secretary Upa H. Ramluna. Member Te. District Superintendent. District Secretary. District Treasurer. District Missions Director Baka Reverend C. Satin Kapate. Rongbol tu dil na form ti chu rongbol tu rasom na form ti a thlagrem ti tlan ani a. Evangelist Visionan Rahman na alausia mga District Board tuan athir thale ang. General Pay Commission in Pay alan lausiam chu April sang ni somni atungin district hian mangtan se thati tlan ani. Hengmiti hi electoral body atana ruat ani. District Superintendent, District Secretary, District Treasurer, District Missions Director. Hetiang hian district chunga inkhom pui hun siam rem ani. Bial khom pui chu February kar ni na pathian ni manga man ni se BLPYD le LED chu march chol kar masaber pathian ni manga man ni se District Literature and Publication Board shwai tu turte Chairman District Superintendent Secretary District Secretary Treasurer District Treasurer Member te Director District Missions Department unaw nu ti lal changliani upa LH kap chunga upa H zir chunga bial tin rongbol tu te chu district in Rathar kuma anma ni bial chawa bial tu pastor ka shwaina hwai training camp seminar ni se July changni somni hunnem chang masabara district headquarters lokala pastor nupui seminar ni se district chung bialtina revival crusade ni se bialin malo la se hemi pol hian bialtin fanatan cheng sing thum sang thum cheu district chuan arwahman bialtina thiang himne campaign ni se paper le resource person to district official te kuta da ani Jehovah Jireh revival team 10 district pompui tura anron dil angin pompui anni a team in kai shwaina rules and regulation le tuldang chu district official 10 anlo bo zuyang sangni somni chung hian heng local den hena hian bek in saktan puina pek ni se thati tlan ani lungtian cheng noi hi sihatla cheng noi hi sangau bethel cheng noi hi vombuk cheng noi khat Bethlehem siata cheng noi khat council vai cheng noi khat awain cheng sing cheng noi kwa quarters repair ni se amasabera district superintendent quarters repair ni se sum omhuna adangte po repair ni se thati tlan ani departmental shwai tu Ratharte missions department director Reverend Dr. C. Simo secretary upajon VT Nyahu treasurer Reverend WL Thangshwe Pentecostal youth department president evangelist Kerin Thara secretary Twal upa H Laldu Sanga treasurer Twal upa N Lalchwan Moya district Sunday school director evangelist V John secretary upa F Lalro Trauma Treasurer Veren Kholi Licha Ladies Auxiliary Department President T. Lalian Moi Bible Woman Secretary Titi Dutin Thwai Treasurer El Nitei Bible Woman Auditors Upa John VT Nyahu Upa PS Lalthan Hirale Pastor H. Ne Chungate Sangni Somni Bakhata Changchuan Thai Thar Kuthi September to Karthumna Manto Turni in District Constitution Drafting Board Po Shatir Ni Se Sihabel to Pastor Reverend Kholi Licha chu District Treasurer Ruat Ani Takawangin Revival Pastor Sila Chwanthanga chu Sihabel to Pastor Tan Ruat Thar Ani Shwai to Ruat Thar Tele Church in Hlangai Department le Adang Dehi Nisom Thum Pakhat Thlathum Thole Sangni Somni Thole Ni Khian District Committee Room a Church in Hlantur Ani Ang Heng Anhwaya Pastor Tehi Kumsom an Service to Awangin General Lama Reverend Title Petura Report Ni Se Pastor H. Kohhran Moyele Pastor H. Nechunga Longtlai West District Rawngbawlna chanchin District shwai tu the program District Secretary Treasurer Pastor Lasomliana Sailo Abel chung local tlokwalin hun ahmanganga Chalmari local church a hun ahmangang District Missions Director Reverend F. Lalbiak Thwamachuan Nisomni panhi atangni somni pathum chung hian diltang biala Sunday School poimo nale Sunday School zirtir tu te poimo nate in China le thiang himna ti seminar neina resource person atangin rawngbawlna anayang March ni som pathuma tangani som panga sanghi somni khan Bathuam Pui Bial Sunday School Department boss sain chikhur lui lokala meet nei ani a Sunday School meet a hian palai chanhem tak ankal khom March ni som pali chomhalam khan chikhur lui khelmola outdoor lam inti siakna nei ani a chonulama biak ina inti siakna chunjom le ani a inti siakna loman pakhat na hi Bathuam Pui headquarters local in Andonga panhi na hi Mautlang local pathum na chu M Konpui local in Andong Sarmon Chatak tak ngai thak thin ani North Mizoram District Rawngbawlna chanchin March ni som pasari thole ni chmadar som khan kumsang ni som ni atanga sang ni som ni pakhatata na district level department le committee peng mo phurna district board in arwa tharte shwai tukal chhuak tur ten mo phurna anhlan Church hlanna inkhom hi UPC North Mizoram District Superintendent Jambara Nein District Superintendent Reverend Laltuangan Hun Akashwaya District Superintendent John Shwai Tukal Chhuak Turte Thana Thusoin an thorim na fakin heti rual hian Shwai tu thar lomna thule theitop chua an rawngbawlna hlen turin a fui bawk hetiang hi hruai tu hlui le thar te charge in hlan dan ani District LAD President Mohphurna chu unawnu PC la romoi Bible wamenin unawnu kelal maswani Bible wamen hena ahlana District LAD Treasurer ni na unawnu kelal rokimin unawnu la chuan kungi Bible wamen hena ahlan boka District PYD President ni na Evangelist F la ngai oman President Mohphurna Evangelist J Vanal Ruatan hena ahlan boka District PYD Treasurer ni na Evangelist Vanal Pekafan ayin Evangelist Sila Ratsangan hena ahlana District Motor Board Secretary ni na chu District Superintendent in Evangelist Larampan Moy Sailon hena ahlanin Evangelist MS Zonglianan Pentecostal Herald Editor Mohphurna le Literature and Publication Board Secretary ni na chu Pastor Larwat ki mafan ai hena ahlan bok ani hemi baka hiam Pastor atana lakthar Evangelist PC la roki machuan abial vantur aibok bel pastor ni mek Reverend PC Lal Felan hena tungin aibok bial pastor ni na tur Mohphurna ahlan bok March ni som parukle ni som pasari khan reng dil kaushan LAD te chuan kumsom nga antlin na Golden Jubilee anlom Golden Jubilee hi District LAD atungin District Secretary unawnu lal donglianin manpuin March ni som paruk tho tanzan hian Jubilee meidet ani a unawnu lal dongliani District LAD Secretary in rawngbawlna aneya atuk March ni som pasari abel to pastor silal khengliana Jubilee lungphum ahonga Jubilee darwak ani a Jubilee lomna chuma dar som bakhata channi in limtaka hun man ani tlaya Golden Jubilee lomna roi kaushan hoten an kil hobok ani North Mizoram District chunga pastor bial samthum te chuan March ni som pathuma tanga ni som panga chungkhan bial conference arwalin an mang Hebial LAD Conference District LAD Executive Meeting chuan ruam manna asiam angin hetiang hian bial conference an manpui ani District LAD President unawnu PC la romoi le District LAD Treasurer unawnu kela ro kimite chuan reek bial an manpuya District LAD Secretary unawnu laldonglianin rengdil bial LAD Conference an manpui bok District Superintendent Reverend Laltuanga chuan zol nuam bial LAD 10 Conference Speaker an som angin bial LAD Conference ahman puya Conference kan hun kaushana an mang ani North Mizoram District chunga bial LAD Conference an mandan bial report donte tar langila aibok bial LAD 10 inkhom pui voi somli pakhatna falcon kaushan biak ina mangin General LAD President unawnu lal changliani Bible woman to speaker tan man ani Conference rawrel poimo zinga bial conference le na muntura tan satek ni in kumsang ni som ni pakhat conference speaker neile anrela home missionary pakhat chom an pasbaka kumsang ni som ni chunghian LAD member tamna khwaten member tlemna khwate tlo ni seti an passbook ani chonhun bial LAD te chon bial LAD conference chonhun biak ina mangin anrel poimo zinga orphanage no pang pathum sponsor ni se missionary chengsang thuma support te bial min camping center abungrwa da te District LAD camping center ti changthun te bial LAD zaipol nei te chonghe tongtrai thlatin voi khat nei te baka Platinum Jubilee sharing nan home mission field da thilpek te anrel ani din thar bial LAD 10 din thar biak ina conference voi somli na nein speaker tan Evangelist Zoram Tharan manga conference rawrel poimo zwalte kumsang ni somni pakhat conference na hmun tan tuikwal ratin kumsang ni somni chunga Holy Bible Church phak loman pekte kumsang ni somni General Missions Department kaltangin missionary chomte bial hwa pathiang himna seminar le revival crusade nei te anrel ani din thar bial ti hian kumsang ni som pakwa District Missions Department kaltangin missionary chomin Dilzol Home Missions Field Quarters tan dining table le chair an leisak baka bial chung mi har sajwalte Christmas present an pe bok din thar bial a hian members ni somwa pakhat omekin zugle pam ngei somruk pani omin Bible woman pali an om ani kolasi venglai LAD 10 conference voi somwa pakhat na pang balkon biak ina mangin inkhom pu hibel to pastor Reverend B Vanal Ruatan honga zankhanna Bible chang serwal inti siak nei ani a pathiani jing inkhoma fundamental doctrine serwalin member boral sun hun man ani bok pathiani jing inkhoma bukwa nei preaching point sound system polin appeal neya cheng singkhat sangthum zaruk somnga an hu chhuak the ani BLLAD in Khompuya Hen Evangelist R. Lalchan Chu Abu Vane Preaching Point at Tirkau Chu Speaker Amangin Tharau Ladong Lautile Siam Tharna Mamo Titan Rongbawlna Aneya Tharau Dong Tharpo Engimuzat an Om Ane Hun Thar BLLAD 10 Conference Vairukna Lungver Kaushana Anein Conference Speaker Evangelist Laldu Saka Saza Man Ane Evangelist Laldu Saka Saza hi ati member Pathum 10 Antoy Om Theibok Conference Rorel Poimo Zwalzinga Kumsangni Somni Pakhat Conference Chu Hun Thar Local Angani in BLLAD 10 Missionary Pakhat Zomanrela Camping Center Ti Changtun Nana Plastic Chair Somni Pali Datele Kumsangni Somni Chungin Bial Chung Local Tin LAD Te Intokwal Ni Seti Te Anrel Ani Reek BLLAD 10 Sangni Somni Conference Ailong Kaushana Mangin Conference Voi Somnga Pakhat Na Ani Conference Speaker District LAD President Unawnu UPC Laro Moi Bible Woman Le District LAD Treasurer Unawnu Kelaro Kimbite Man Anni Conference Rorel Poimo Zwalte Kumsangni Somni Pakhada Speaker Nele Relin Speaker Tam Bial to Pastor Reverend P. Vanel Felarwat Ani Bial LAD 10 Fasha Somna Tloa Thilpeklan Ni Seti Te Bial Pon Fe Chwa Nei Te Kumsangni Somni Pakhat LAD Day Bial Hwa Pa Man Te Anrel Ani Reek BLLAD Conference of Somnga Pakhat na Hizir Tobzana Bel to Pastor Reverend P. Vanel Felana Hongani Rengdil BLLAD 10 Conference Voice Somli Pangana Mangin District LAD Secretary Unawnu Laldong Yanim Antman Puya Conference Ahian Speaker District LAD Secretary Unawnu Laldong Liani Bel to Pastor Silal Theng Lianale Home Missionary Tehman Ni in Rawngbawlna Pathiani na Ompui Le Conference Rorel Poimo Te Kumsangni Somni Pakhata Conference Namhun Tour Ke Sarali Khwa LAD in Khomzana Thupui Zir Tour Neilen Ni Se District Board Agenda Atan ASC Home No Pang Sponsor Ve Ni Se Bial Hwa Pa Kumpuan Nei Ni Se Thupui Atan Thiang Hlim Ni Se Kumsangni Somni Chungi Missionary Support Ve Ni Se Ti Te Anrel Ani Sumsui BLLAD 10 Conference Voice Sarina Chiak Kaushanbiak in Mangin Conference Speaker Atan Unawnu Lal Thakimi Bial to Pastor Nupui Man Ni in Pathiani Zana Bial to Pastor Reverend H.F. Balsoman Rongbawlna Anei Thung Ani Conference Rorel Poimo Zinga Kumsangni Somni Pakhata Sumsuya Conference Ngatin Conference Speaker Neile Relin Conference Thupuya Inralri na Thu Man Chati Ani BLLAD 10 Home Missionary Pakhat Zomte Thiang Hlimna Konga Warzoka Malaka Home Campaign Neite An Pasbaka ASC Home No Pong Pakhat Sponsor Tele Pastor Quarters Dining Table Da Te Anrel Ani Painom BLLAD 10 Conference Voice on Pakhat Na BL Headquarters Lokala Mangin Speaker Evangelist Silal Ompuya Maubok An Mang Conference Rorel Poimo Zinga Kumsangni Somni Pakhat Khompui Le na Turatan Saipai Kaushan Ruatin Kumsangni Somni Pakhat Khompuya Speaker Neile Andrela Pastor Quarters Thuamnan Target in Siamte Kumsangni Somni Pakhat Lengkhom Zaya Inti Siak Le An Pasbok Zol Nuam BLLAD 10 Conference Voithumna District Superintendent Reverend Laltuanga Speaker Mangin Kanhmun Biak in Ahlim Takinan Manga Kanhmun Kaushan Tehian and Biak in Sakthara Conference Lauthengin Conference Palaipo An Chale Ani Kumsangni Somni Pakhat LAD Conference Chu Bung Chuam Mahatin Bung Chuam Kaushan Po His Sangni Som Pakwa Kaushan Din Thar Chawni in Bial Chung Kaushan Haute An Phur Le Tlangsang BLLAD Conference Tlangsang at Niin Conference Speaker Unawnu F. Lal Siam Liani Evangelist Silal Nunlu Pastor Ke Aino Nele Unaw Pa Vanal Tempuya Tehman Anni Conference Rorel Poimo Zwalte Kumsangni Somni Pakhat BLLAD Conference Zawmuan Tlanga Nga Ani in Tlangsang Bial Chunga Missionary Volunteer Tele Bial Chunga Kaushan Ding Tharte Champui Vedan Turwa Man na Siamte Kumini LAD Day Lo Tur Bial Hwa Pa Mante Seminar Le Revival Neite District LAD Conference Kalna Tur Budget Date Pastor Quarters Paul Budget Date Anrel Ani District Headquarters BLLAD Chuan Bial Conference Voice Mga Pakhatna Khadla South Bek Ina Mangin Reverend Rosanga Kolni Aizol East District Superintendent Kalswak Chu Conference Speaker Atan Man Ani Conference Rorel Te Kumsangni Somni Pakhat BLLAD Conference na Tur Tuikwal South Kumsangni Somni LAD Day Chu Mani Local Chewa Warta Kahman Ni Se LAD Day Athupui Than Chu Abik Heng Kantule Fatetan Rihlau Ngai Tetan mihla biak in thleng phak lo te tan tharau ladong lo te tan Kohhran thu boy te alo fel thwai theinan le ASC hom no pangle athok tu te tan tung trai hauna nei ni se district LED conference a bas pahni hayar tur ani kumsang ni somni chungin LED ten general mo home missions fel to venge ni se ahmun ero chu billboard kuta da ani kumsang ni somni chungin rongbol tu reina budget da thin chu davel ni se local pek chwa thin hi cheng sang ni to ani se ti ani a bialin kumkhada cheng sang ruk da tur ani kumsang ni somni chungin bial shroi tu ten local tin phang chhuak se chung komai cham le bu fai cham campaign pa in kumsang ni somni chungin bible ral chan nei le ni se abu atan thu fing te ni se ti ani kumsang ni somni chungin bible char chwana nei ni se headquarters bial chung LED te chat ni thatni a lukhum khum tura inzir tir war ni se mamit bial LED conference voice somni pakwane chu pathian tharau thiang lim ompuin hnuaya lim takin mamit high school venga man ani bial chunga missionary evangelist Larampana evangelist RS Lalnun Moya evangelist Valeze Moya Fanai unau pa ke pa zone tele bial tu pastor Valerua te speaker atan man ani a zai thiam unau pa le rem tuanga zamwang somani a pathianin amang hle ani rorel chen khatte bial chunga missions field le preaching point tlo chwa bible ral chan buat sai pastor quarters a budget tamjok da lengpui bial LED conference voice li pali na chu ropui chib local man ani a Kohhran ti thupuya nei ni in speaker a Reverend R Laro sanga lunglei chu man ani rorel tlangpui te kumsang ni somni phat conference len turatan leng te ruat ani kumsang ni somni a missionary pakhat chom LED day bialin ahwavin dap chua man ni se dap chua preaching point a Kohhran mamo dale work camp natur appeal thiang lim na konga na sazoga malang ni se district shwai to the program district missions director Reverend Silal Thantwangale missions treasurer evangelist MS Zonglian te chuan konpui biala district missions field Razzalia Kohhran haute march ni som pakwale ni som ni mangkhan antlo ole khati zong khatun tumata na UPC North East India Kohhran rawngbawlna chanchin thar kan thlir le ngai thak haule theite ni e